another one.
First huge mistake in my corporate job. Oh my God, what was this mistake? All right, let's find out together. So, yesterday I made a very silly and rather big mistake at work. I accidentally sent out an unapproved document to a bunch of media contacts. I'm in public relations that I was not supposed to, causing potential reputational damage to the company I work for. Oh my goodness. I basically attached the wrong document or attachment or whatever it was, one which was still not meant for the public to see. I reported it to my manager straight after I saw the error, owned the mistake, and did all I could possibly do to follow the company protocol. I could not sleep well the following night and kept checking for new emails from compliance legal officers until I fell asleep. Whew, that's tough. That is tough. This morning, I had a call with my manager, managing directors, as well as other superior to talk through it all. We all work in different time zones, and I was not fired. Ooh, lucky you. Wrong one. That's the one. Ooh, lucky you. Lucky you, because it could have been very, very catastrophic, all right? What else we got? So instead, my managing director told me about how he also messed up in the past, similarly to me, and also basically told me to learn from this mistake and move on, but be more careful. I also felt a huge relief when we all learned that the document I shared did not include any super duper highly confidential information that would have a significant effect on the company's reputation and share value. Whew, that was close. That was close. However, I still feel so awful about the whole thing, even after my manager telling me not to worry several times about it and that it was an honest mistake. Given that it is my very first and rather serious mistake, which will definitely not be forgotten by management anytime soon, I cannot stop feeling awful. It is literally all I think about. I feel like I will be even more anxious at work than before. It is a very stressful job. I can only imagine with public relations, and I'm still afraid that I will hate myself for being there even more than I do now. I have good and bad days at work, but since it is my first real job, and by no means a dream job, I have made a promise to myself to stay in it for 1.5 years or 1.5 to 2 years max, just to have something good on my resume and future. My question to you all would be, how can I turn this all into a positive experience and not let it make me feel incompetent, stupid, unreliable, and untrustworthy? How can I prevent myself from overthinking this whole situation? How can I not beat myself up about all of this? I feel like I cannot be trusted with anything serious anymore. And of course, they have to add the TLDR at the bottom. I messed up at the first job. How to feel better. All right, so let's put our timer up. So here's the deal with this question, right? I think that, how am I going to put this? I think that you need to appreciate your manager, coaching you through this and telling you like, you know what, you didn't really send anything that was that crucial. We've all made this mistake and stuff like that. It's possible. However, I think that it is good that you are being hard on yourself. Why is that? Because now you will be very, very focused to not making these type of mistakes. You're new. You're like, oh, okay, this is pretty easy. And then you have like attachment with maybe a similar name and things like that. And you just click on the wrong one and you send it out, right? Mistakes happen. But some mistakes are just like, they can be very, very detrimental. So now you have to use this to your advantage because guess what? Although you made a silly mistake, they don't think that you're incompetent, stupid, unreliable, or untrustworthy. They said, oh, we get it. It happens. They're giving you another chance. But guess what? Here's where you can use this to your advantage. Because if all eyes are on you, if As Tupac said, all eyes on me. If all eyes are on you, then that is your opportunity to shine.
Let's get it.
If all eyes are on you, that means that you might be scrutinized, but do your best work possible. Be very, very meticulous. Follow up, ask questions, and make sure you're sending the right files. It's your opportunity to shine. Embrace the all eyes being on you. Show, if you think that you're incompetent, stupid, unreliable, and untrustworthy, prove to yourself that you're not. They already don't think those things about you. Only you are thinking that about you. But prove it to yourself that you are none of those things. How can you not beat yourself up about it? Beat yourself up. I see a lot of people, no, you're too hard on yourself. I'm like, I have no problem with you being hard on yourself. Beat yourself up until you build the confidence that you don't have to. See, a lot of people, they want you to be so easy on yourself. And how are you ever going to build confidence that way? How can you build confidence? If you feel that you can't be trusted with anything, do the best job possible over and over and over and over again. And then you're going to see, okay, I actually, and you build your own system up. You build a process, you build a system, you build an algorithm, whatever the case may be, of this is the way that I work. This is the way that I'm going to not make mistakes. This is going to be this is how I'm going to automate some stuff. Shout out to your car and his Zapier presentation with the zaps, zap, right? You build a system. Be very, very meticulous. Don't add any names into the field that you're going to be sending to, like who you're sending an email to, until you have written the full email and you have checked out the attachments, make sure you're sending the right thing. See, you have to build strategies. We have to learn from our mistakes. See, a lot of times we get hung up on our mistakes. And because of that, we get scared, we don't move forward, we don't progress. And I say that is not the right approach. Beat yourself up. When I started jiu-jitsu, it took me over a year of constantly getting beat up over and over and over again. But you know what I did? This is what I did. I set goals. I said, you know what? When I would roll with certain people, especially the higher belts, they would submit me within the first 15 seconds. So what was my goal? My goal is, you know what? Next time, let's make it last 20 seconds. And let's make it not be the same submission as before. So it would either be they would get that same submission, but it would take longer, or to the point I got so good at defending that submission that they would have to go to something else. Those were my goals. And I learned how to be very, very good on defense. And as they say in sports, good defense leads to great offense. So you made a mistake. You have to learn from it. Beat yourself up. Prove to yourself, because your company already knows. Because if your company thought that you were incompetent, stupid, unreliable, and untrustworthy, they would just fire you on the spot. But they didn't. And now you have that opportunity, you have that chance. You see, this is the part that kind of bothers me with this, right? And that whole, I hate to say it, it's ungrateful. It's a little bit ungrateful. You made a huge mistake, but they reassured you and they gave you confidence. And you're saying that it's not, what did you say? It's not a dream job. Dreams happen in your sleep. There's no such thing as a dream job. You have to go out there and get it. Whatever you want, you have to go out there and get it. You're not going to be able to last a year and a half to 2 years just beating yourself up over a mistake that no one else is beating you up over. They say, oh, don't worry about it. It was nothing serious. But use this opportunity with all eyes on you to shine, to excel, to exceed all expectations against all odds. All right. So with that being said, we're going to wrap that question up with a nice little bow on top.
I was deep in the zone, fingers dancing on the keys. Thought I'd nail this project, bring my boss to his knees. But the clock kept ticking, night turning to day. Then I woke up in panic, all my plans blown away. Lost in the dark, was it all in vain? I'm staring at my screen, it's a pixelized hell. Falling into despair, like I'm under a spell. Late nights and lost dreams, feels like I'm cursed. Now I'm fighting this battle, but the pain only worsens. Try to piece it together, but the words just won't flow. Rewriting my thoughts like a painter with no show. My boss points the finger, says I'm slacking the grind, but he don't see the battles that are raging in my mind. Drowning in doubt, feeling trapped in this game. I'm staring at my screen, it's a pixelized hell. Falling into despair, like I'm under a spell. Late nights and lost dreams, feels like I'm cursed. Now I'm fighting this battle, but the pain only worsens. Try to piece it together, but the words just won't flow. Rewriting my thoughts like a painter with no show. My boss points the finger, says I'm slacking the grind, but he don't see the battles that are raging in my mind. Drowning in doubt, feeling trapped in this game. I'm staring at my screen, it's a pixelized hell. Falling into despair, like I'm under a spell. Late nights and lost dreams, feels like I'm cursed. Now I'm fighting this battle, but the pain only worsens. Cause code once a treasure, now it's ashes and flames. Still I rise from the shadows, won't be muted by shame. But the pain only worsens. I was deep in the zone, fingers dancing on the keys. Thought I'd nail this project, bring my boss to his knees. But the clock kept ticking, night turning to day. Then I woke up in panic, all my plans blown away. Lost in the dark, was it all in vain? I'm staring at my screen, it's a pixelized hell. Falling into despair, like I'm under a spell. Late nights and lost dreams, feels like I'm cursed. Now I'm fighting this battle, but the pain only worsens. Just code once a treasure, now it's ashes and flames. Still I rise from the shadows, won't be muted by shame. But the pain only worsens. This code once a treasure, now it's ashes and flames. Still I rise from the shadows, won't be muted by shame.